Hi, I'm Spider-Man. Mr. Painter asked me to help you get started solving force problems in physics. So here you go. In this problem, our first step is to figure out what we're solving for. So it asks, what acceleration does the box experience? So I'm solving for acceleration. So I'll write A equals question mark. That's just a short way of saying I don't know what acceleration is. The next step is to write down what I'm given. So the key here is to first look for any numbers that I see in the problem. Well, I see two numbers. I see 3 kilograms and I see 55 newtons. 3 kilograms is a mass. I know it's a mass because kilograms is the unit for mass. And 55 newtons is a force. I know it's a force, one, because newtons is the unit of force, but also it says that it's pushed along the floor with a force of 55 newtons. My next step is to draw a diagram. So I have my 3 kilogram box. Now, we know anything with mass has weight, and weight goes down. And we know that anything that is on a surface has a normal force going up. Now, the problem doesn't say the box is on a surface, but if a box is being pushed, we can assume that it's on a surface because I don't know of too many boxes that are floating in the air. Unless they're attached maybe to my spider webs. So we have one more force, and that's the pushing force. That could go to the right or the left. I'm going to say it goes to the right. You could do the left. It doesn't matter. Now, the third step in solving this problem is to write the equation without numbers. So my equation is the net force equals mass times acceleration. Even though I see 3 forces here, I'm only paying attention to the force in the horizontal direction. Think of horizon, the horizontal direction, because that's the direction that the box is moving. So I only have one force in the horizontal direction, and that's F, 55 newtons. So I plug in my numbers. My net force is 55 newtons. My mass is 3. Now I'm solving for acceleration. I have to get rid of the 3 because it's in the way. Well, the 3 and the A are being multiplied, so to get rid of the 3, I have to divide by it because division is the opposite of multiplication. So I can divide both sides by 3. Remember in algebra, what I do to one side, I have to do to the other side of an equality. And that will leave acceleration by itself. Acceleration is 55 divided by 3, and that gives me 18.33 meters per second squared. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for listening in. Thanks, Spider-Man. You did a great job. Thanks for listening.